Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Conducive Legal. Almost everybody has studied about contracts in their CA, CS or LLB. Today we are going to discuss what are the essential elements of a commercial contract. A commercial contract means a contract which may in the nature of providing services in any form. Whether it is a MSA for IT services, procurement for any specific services or contract manufacturing services. Now what are the essential elements which we have to keep in mind while drafting or vetting any contract? First and foremost, please ensure that each contract carries a definitive purpose for which it is being signed. That is, the scope of contract should be transparent and specific. Unless and until the scope of contract is transparent and specific, it may give rise to dispute, either at the time of performance of that contract or even after the performance. Now, your next clause is clear statement of obligations. Obligations of both the parties should be clearly stated in your contract. Say, if there is a contract for installation of a lift, it must mention end-to-end obligations and rights of both the parties. Now, your next clause is representations and warranties. Representations and warranties which are shared by service provider in relation to the performance of their obligations must also be spelled out without any scope of ambiguity. Say, if any misrepresentation is given by the service provider, will it make him liable for giving the specific relief? Now, your next and the most important clause is limitation of liability. In any contract, both the parties strive for this particular clause. Under confidentiality obligation, IPR infringement of third party, death or fraud, client must insist for the liability of the service provider to be unlimited. Now the question arises, why only service provider? Why not client? It has to be evaluated who would be impacted by the breach of confidentiality obligation, and accordingly the same should be mentioned in your contract. Now next is your indemnity clause. While most of the law students insist on this indemnity clause, and this clause is imperative as well, but while insisting on the same, it must be seen directly in connection with the purpose of your contract, the obligation of the parties and the liabilities arising therefrom. Any attempt to say that this is our company's policy or the value of commercials is low may land the negotiating lawyer in an embarrassing position. Simultaneously, it must also be seen that only direct losses are claimed, and any discussion on your indirect losses in Indian context can lend negotiating parties to the embarrassment and wastage of time. Now, next is your penalty clause. This is the most important clause, and the same must be the part of your main agreement instead of your SOWs. As you are aware that there may be multiple SOWs under one agreement, therefore it is better to define them under your main contract instead of taking them to your SOWs, which the service provider generally try to dilute. Now next is your step-in clause. In this clause, if the service provider is not able to fulfill any obligation, then the client, instead of suffering, should be able to pull in another service provider and get the job done, and in fact make the payment to the new service provider by deducting the amount of leftover services from your previous service provider. Now let's come down to your dispute resolution. You must look for arbitration as an effective dispute resolution mechanism instead for going for your regular, or you can say routine, litigation. And the appointment of arbitration should be done through the consent of both the parties. As far as the jurisdiction is concerned, client should insist for the jurisdiction where the client is situated, or if the situation is so that it becomes a subject matter of negotiation, then at a place which is being jointly agreed between the party. And last but not the least, don't forget the force majeure clause, which is otherwise also a hot topic of discussion nowadays. Draft it carefully to cover all the possible situations. Hope you find this video informative. Stay tuned for more update and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.